It's hard to imagine life without lithium batteries. From keeping us in constant contact and powering our passions, to playing a greater role in keeping our country's supply chain moving. At Stryten Energy, helping our material handling customers choose the right battery for the right application drives everything we do. We offer a complete line of advanced lead and now our new M-Series Li600 lithium iron phosphate batteries, or LFP. Lithium iron phosphate delivers longer run times, reduced maintenance, and is one of the safest lithium technologies out there. If you're running multiple shifts and moving heavy goods, the Li600's high energy density can be a smart, cost-effective solution. Available for Class 1, Class 2, and Class 3 equipment, the Li600 is designed to work seamlessly with our X3 and X7 chargers. Our Class 3 Li600 also includes an optional onboard charger for greater convenience and opportunistic charging. Looking for cold storage performance? The Li600 runs circles around the competition, delivering the power to run in temperatures as low as -40 degrees. Whether your trucks are moving in and out of refrigeration or working an entire shift in the freezer, the Li600 is built to deliver cold storage performance where it counts most. In most cases, the Li600 can be easily installed in place of your current battery and comes backed by our Stryten warranty and nationwide service network. Strategically located across the US, Canada, and Mexico, our trained technicians come to you, ensuring your fleet is always operating at full capacity, and you're not wasting time shipping out batteries for repair or replacement. And like all of our Stryten material handling solutions, the Li600 can be easily integrated with InCommand, our energy management software that puts control of your fleet right at your fingertips. Lithium is electrifying the material handling world. Contact your Stryten representative to learn more about how Stryten's Li600 lithium batteries can deliver faster charging, greater efficiency, and longer run times to your material handling fleet.